coming out there. I seen you coming out there, and I don't think so, but we'll put him on the board and see. I'm gonna keep him on this side. I do him like a bluegill, scaling it, prime hole. Left of him, brother. There was a little, bumped it. Bumped it again, didn't he? Might be a keeper. Oh yeah. How about that? And you want to measure him? Well, we measure him and see. He's going to be one of them 8 7/8 once again. Here he comes. Ooh, boy, you come out here, he's still after it. Come on, come on. I seen him coming. Might be a keeper. Get close. The boat. Top right on the boat now. And I'm gonna back us up. I'm gonna take us off spotlight and let us back us up. Alright, now let me see where we are when we come around. Pull it out, trying to get that line off my rod tip. Yeah, I'm at the top. Here he comes. Here he comes. I seen you coming up there. Up there. Boy, you're going around circle like a good one. Here he comes, here he comes. I seen you coming, buddy. I seen you coming. Well, there probably are some bigger ones in there. We're just getting the little ones out of the way. You know, they always say the big fish always bite first. It's which one's the fastest. I learned. All right, man, it's on the bottom now. So get ready. Here it comes. There's one after yours. He's after it. Keep reeling it. Keep reeling it. Keep reeling it. He's after it. There you go. He's after mine. Yep. Yeah, I believe mine will make it. I seen you coming out there too, Lily. I missed it at that time. I'm off to the left side of it, so I'm out of the cone too. You got your tail that time, Bo. Thinker. Oh, I got this good in here. Hanging there, good little. Coming up. Get the wrap around my rod too. Oh yeah, mine's a keeper. Don't lie. Sure you don't want to keep this one? I believe that's a keeper. I'll measure him to make sure fish on there. Yep, I thought I did. Alright, 30 to 22. Should be able to see your baits right there if you drop it straight down. And the boat turned right when the fish got to the fish. Little one. Ever out fish?
Yeah.
Seen him coming up. I seen your bait then.
I'm seeing it right now. Damn, don't move it.
All over the bottom. All the way. Now start reeling real slow. Slow. Like I say, 4 or 5 turns to handle. There you go. I don't know. He might measure him, see. I mean, even they're going to keep him. I just want to secure if he's a keeper. Here, let's do it. Oh, I want to see if he's a keeper. At least one in there.
Line wrapped around the rod.
Yeah, the wind does that. Alright, hold your rod out of the way because I'm right in that top. See him load up on it. That's that hook on him. That's a keeper right there. There you go.